section 4.6, special factoring, I want to focus on sum and difference of cubes. On page 345 in your book, let's look at number 32 and also number 36. So there's a quick way to factor these. Your first step is to always check for a GCF. In this case, there is no GCF. So our next step for all these problems is to just make sure that you have, in this case, a difference of cubes. So what we want to do is rewrite our problem so that everything is written with an exponent of 3. We know 64 is 4 cubed. And so we know for sure now that we have a difference of 2 cubes. And here's what the formula basically tells us to do. We have 2 parentheses. The first parentheses is your binomial, 2 terms. And the second parentheses is our trinomial. So it will always break up this way into a binomial and trinomial. The 2 terms in the first parentheses are very easy to get. It is what we have in the original problem, but we do not write the cubes. So we just write x minus 4. Then in the second parentheses, what we're going to do is use what we wrote for the first part. We square the first term, x squared. Then we write opposite sign. Since that's a minus, opposite sign is a plus. Multiply these 2 terms together, but without the sign. So just multiply 4 times x, we get 4x. Plus, this is always a positive. Square the last term. 4 squared is 16. And so now this is completely factored, and we have our final answer. Same idea for number 36. Check for a GCF. No GCF. Second step, write your problem so that everything is cubed to the 3rd power. 8 is 2 cubed. X cubed plus 1 is the same as 1 cubed. Now, 2 parentheses, binomial first, trinomial second. First parentheses, we write exactly what we have here, but no cubes. 2x plus 1. Second parentheses, square the first term. Square the 2, square the x. 4x squared. Opposite sign, that's a plus. Opposite sign is a minus. Multiply the 2 terms together without the sign. 2x plus square the last term, 1. And now we're completely factored. So we do not need to necessarily memorize the formula. You just need to use this format in order to factor, and it works all the time.